Welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This Airbus A330 was taking off from Manchester when its right engine failed with explosive force. The pilots quickly aborted the takeoff and brought the aircraft to an emergency stop on the runway. Inspection later revealed that a turbine blade had attached.
Yeah, we've got that up, just waiting for them to attach.
Lovely.
This Airbus A330 touched down too late at Manchester Airport.
Whoa. That was long.
These planes flying low through a series of valleys in the UK. This place is called the Mach Loop and is often used for training low-level flying. This pilot landing in Mexico fighting strong winds.
$100, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 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 retard.
This Boeing 777 landing at London Heathrow really needs a wash. Click the video on the screen to see more. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.